This episode is brought to you in part by California Inspection Authority, Southern California's premier property inspection experts.
Hey guys, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and on today's episode, we continue to explore some desert landmarks. Right now, we're at Arch Rock in Joshua Tree. We're also going to explore Pinto Basin via the Berdoo Canyon Trail. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned for another great episode.
This rock is called white tank granite. It's an igneous rock which formed when hot liquid magma was pushed up from deep within the earth and forced into the overlying rock in a process known as intrusion. It then cooled and hardened and later became exposed as the rock we see today. Geologists believe that the white tank granite was intruded into the overlying rock about 135 to 155 million years ago. This was a time when climate was mild and dinosaurs roamed the earth. Hardly what we see today, and although 155 million years may sound like an immense amount of time, it's only about 1/30th of the Earth's ancient history. Being good stewards of the areas we visit is important, and picking up trash is part of that stewardship. Exploring Pinto Basin on Berdoo Trail, and we see up here on the hillside something that looks like a potential mine shaft or something. So we thought we'd jump out of the truck and go see what we can find. It's all filled in. You can see there's some areas over there that are deeper than others. Of them, they look like they're new needles, but they're very, very sharp. Awesome looking. There's some taller ones even back up on the hillside further. But man, Pinto Basin is someplace you really got to explore for yourself. Get in your truck, guys. Whatever kind of rig you have, it doesn't matter. Just get out here and start exploring. This is what it's all about. At the end of the day, when you can stand on your own 2 feet and look out over this country, it's just pretty damn epic. Truly beautiful. Pinto Basin is rich in history. Although the area has not been vastly explored in a number of years, some localized fossils have been uncovered. Canine, horse, and bison fossils, along with other prehistoric vertebrates, have been categorized. Arrowheads and tools of ancient people who once occupied the area have been identified, tagged, and are housed in the collection of geological sciences in San Bernardino County Museum.
Wow, Pinto Basin, what a great adventure we just had. Now we just finished Berdoo Canyon Trail. We have about a mile to a mile and a half still to go. And I personally wanted to take a minute to thank each and every one of you for tuning in every week. We go through a lot of effort to bring these episodes to you, and we really like the interaction from the community. You guys have all been great. Now next week we're going to have another episode for you, another expedition, another adventure, so we hope that you'll tune in. I'm David from Trail Adventures USA, and I wanted to personally again thank you for watching. Wow, Pinto Basin.
Wow.